Okay, so we are given this circuit and we are asked how to apply a Kirchoff's current law to this circuit. You see there are currents indicated by I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, and this point is called as node or junction. Remember, this point is called as node or junction. So the KCL states that in a network such as shown in this figure, the sum of the currents entering into the node is equal to the sum of the currents exiting the same node. So what are the currents that are entering here? I1 and I2. So you will take the sum of these two currents, I1 and I2, right here, I1 plus I2, and you equate that to the sum of the currents that are exiting the node, that is I3, I4 and I5. You see the direction of the arrows. They are leaving the node, and the direction of the arrows for I1 and I2, they are entering the node. So you will write that I1 plus I2 equals to I3 plus I4 plus I5. That's it.